unboxing. Today we'll use the Chaves Kickstop Sagaha. Very cool knife. Love the size of these. Nice and robust. Robust. Let's see what we got in here. Blade HQ. Just had their Memorial Day sale. Saw something on there and I took the bait. Got this little duck patch. Oh look, another Chaves. They had these on sale for a really good price, so why not? Another Kickstop. This time with the green Micarta. Feels real good. Black coating. I don't know if it's PVD or DLC. Yeah, that just looks good. Yeah, it feels great. The action on these are so nice. Right out of the box. Just smooth. Check out that handle or the blade. That just looks awesome with that coating on there. Oh, this one's really cool. I just haven't carried it much. Just being a little special exclusive thing. I haven't really wanted to take it out and use it much. Just kind of keep it nice. So we got this one now. It's a little bit lighter. Take this one around for my user. Just a cool little flipper mechanism at Kickstop. Flip it open. The flipper tab just folds down, disappears. Anyway, just a quick little unboxing video. Go get breakfast for my little buddy in the next room. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.